Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You guys, I had missed you so much, but I'm back. Thank you so much for stopping by. Those who are watching this, thank you for those who've already watched all the videos that are in the channel. If this is your first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies, and a bit of travel. And before we go on, please support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, so you'll always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. And for those who already subscribed, welcome back to another YouTube video. This is the first juicing video. Sorry that I've not been doing a lot of juicing videos lately for like say 3 to 4 weeks. Sorry about that, but I'm back, and let's see what we have today. From the title, today's video is about sweet potato juice. Yes, sweet potatoes can be used to make juice. It's a sweet and spicy juice that is supposed to help in satisfying our sweet cravings. It's also supposed to help in boosting our immunity and giving us a clearer skin. If you have clear skin issues, then you can take this juice. It's going to help you. So let's see how we can make the spicy sweet potato juice. So this is our sweet potato juice. As I said, it's sweet and spicy. The sweetness depends on how sweet your sweet potato is. So it may vary with the kind of sweet potatoes that we are going to use. But sweet potatoes are highly nutritious. If you didn't know, I think you should know this. They're very highly nutritious because they are a good source of fiber, they're a good source of vitamins, and they are a good source of minerals. Now, because they are a good source of fiber, they provide antioxidants, and the antioxidants that are provided by sweet potatoes help us in our gut. So if you have gut issues, you can incorporate sweet potatoes in your diet. They're also very good for people who have eyesight problems. Incorporate sweet potato juice in your diet. Sweet potatoes are also mentioned to have cancer fighting properties. Very good if you incorporate them in your diet. They are also very good in enhancing your brain function. And lastly, they're very good in boosting your immune system. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you try this sweet potato juice and let me know what you think about it. And thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much.